Hey friends, stick around because my mom is about to show you how she makes a simple chicken into a juicy brine roast. Let's get started.
Okay guys, so I started off by opening up my packet. I got this turkey brine mix from the Aldi's. First I take out the seasoning packet, then I took out the brine mix, then the plastic bag where you're gonna be brining the meat. So I move on to mix this brine mix, guys. I use 2 cups of water. Then I pour half the seasoning packet into the water, and that is supposed to be boiling for 5 minutes. Then I set it aside to cool. Then I move on to washing my meat. I use some lemon. Off camera, I use some vinegar, and I'm giving it a proper washing. After washing the chicken, guys, I put them into the bag, the plastic bag for the brine. Then I add 4 quarts of water. Then I pour in the cooled brine mix. I close the bag and let it sit in my refrigerator for about 30 minutes. I follow the instruction according to the packet, guys. After 30 minutes, I removed the chicken and I washed it off properly and I dried it. Then I go on to make my seasoning mix. This is not a part of the instruction, guys, but I went ahead and I add some melted butter along with some garlic and paprika. And I give it a mix to get everything all nice and even, guys. Then I spatchcock the chicken. I cut it in the back. Then I use the injector and inject all that butter, melted butter flavor and its aromatics into the chicken, getting all the flavors in. Then afterwards, I set it in my roaster pan. I use some rosemary's and I also add some sliced orange peel and I put it on the chicken. I also set my oven at 400 degrees. The packet says to do 350, but 400 works just fine for me. When I put it in the oven, I move on to do some fried plantains. And guys, after 30 minutes, I started basting my chicken. Oh, you should have smelled the kitchen, guys. Juicy, nice, aromatic flavors were just bursting through. I keep basting the chicken every 30 minutes, guys, as it becomes golden brown. And that is it, guys. There you have it. All done. The cooking time for this chicken lasts an hour and 30 minutes, guys. Look at how juicy that is. Let me know if you've ever used the turkey brine to do your chicken. Please give this video a like, comment, and share. And remember to subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.